This is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your Google search history on your Android phone. So if we're using this search bar right here on the home screen of our Android phone, we can just simply tap this. Go to our profile on the top right. Now under here we have search history. So you can see it's not saving anything right here. I can just tap this and I should be able to go to that setting. And then we have the option for not saving web activity right here. Let's go to this. And you can see the option to turn on or off right here. So I currently have it turned off. I'll just turn this on real quick. But then we can go through here and then just turn this off. So let's go to turn off, and delete activity. Okay. Then we got to go through this page right here. We can see ads, discovery, Google hotels, map search, YouTube history. So this will include all these different Google products. And then go to next. So this should delete it all. So even some of these search things that you're searching for, some strange things that you might be searching for on there. And then we can go back. And then we can start searching for stuff and see if it pops up recommendations for what we're doing. So like this. I don't see anything that's related to what I've been searching for. Usually you'll see like a little time thing next to it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.